What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and recently Xiaomi launched the budget-friendly Redmi Note 8 series here in the Philippines. We already checked out the Pro version before, so now let's check out the standard Redmi Note 8. But first, let's see what's inside the box. First up, as usual, we get a smaller box that contains your free SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a clear case. Next up, we have the phone itself in that cool moonlight white color. Below that, we get the charger and a USB-C cable. In the hands, the phone feels quite exquisite but tough, which is thanks to the Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both sides. It's not that big of a phone with a display size of only 6.3 inches, which also makes it light in the hands. It's also nice that the screen is an IPS panel with a Full HD Plus resolution, so we get sharp details, nice colors, and good viewing angles. We get slim bezels on the sides and on top, which has a water drop notch that houses the 13 megapixel selfie camera, while the chin is slightly thicker. At the back, we get a quad camera setup that's a 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The lenses are arranged vertically and protrude quite a bit from the back panel. Also found here at the back is the phone's fingerprint scanner. On the right side, we found the power and volume buttons, which are nice and tactile and easy to reach. Meanwhile, on the left, we get a dual SIM tray with a nice dedicated micro SD card slot. Up top, we have a secondary noise-canceling microphone and an IR blaster, which is, for those of you out there who like having an IR blaster. And finally, at the bottom, we get a USB-C port, which is honestly so refreshing to see on an entry-level device. We also have the main microphone, the loudspeaker, and the headphone jack. Powering the Redmi Note 8 is a Snapdragon 665 chipset, up to 4GB of RAM, and up to 128GB of internal storage. We also got a 4000 mAh battery with support for 18-watt fast charging, and for software, it's MIUI 10 on top of Android 9 Pie. So for pricing, all variants should be on your screen right now, starting with the 32GB model at 7,990 pesos. The Redmi Note 8 for sure is one of our favorite budget smartphones from this year, but so is the Realme 5, so expect a comparison video soon. And of course, stay tuned for our full review. So what do you guys think about the Redmi Note 8? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to miss new future uploads, and be sure to visit ukatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.